morning. Just got up. Everybody's still relaxing. I gotta have breakfast soon. Hello, my love. You going somewhere? Huh? Still battling with this thing. Anyway, I'm gonna go and work on the bedroom. That's Bella's room. It used to be our storage room, so we're gonna clean all this up and put my PC here so I can continue doing my YouTube stuff. And we can then work in the big bedroom. We can bring some stuff here as well from the other bedroom. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, veranda's gonna be full, I'm sure. Start already. Okay. Messy at the moment, but we still got more things to come in. But this room is nice and clean now. Gotta put the new shelving here. Just a quick, easy snack. The whole house in a shambles. Can't use the veranda right now. Choco-block. Okay, that's it. Oh, Jab just brought me a dessert. What a good combination. Beautiful. Okay, small room almost there. At least I got my PC up and running in case I had to do some video. The rest I will connect later, but there's other thing more important to do. Let's have a nap. Another brand out, another tropical run. No power. It's okay. It's nice and cool here. It's raining. It's not much light, so I hope you can see me. Anyway, I'm having a rest. I set up my rig. 3 computers set up. All working. MSI is working. I don't want to do any update. Every time I do an update, it goes banana. I hope you can hear me. Big rain. Okay, I got my rig ready there. Everything working, PC, the 2 laptops, everything connected. I haven't done this yet. Sometimes it's not needed at the moment, but anything else is connected. Starlink. So tomorrow morning we're gonna start attacking our bedroom, the main bedroom. Okay. So see you in the morning. Good morning. Bella just got a bath. Hello? Yeah, she loves it. Of course. She came to me to show me that she had a bath. Anyway, today big job. I mean, we need to organize things around the house. so we can modify our room. Yeah, I need to get rid of all this. And this wardrobe, poof, I don't know. The desk is gone, thanks God. I had to remove the curtain as well, I guess, and everything. Anyway, so we can put that ceiling on. And the new wall. I don't want to make anymore. I know it's pretty, but too many insects and stuff. Here's okay, we don't film, it's fine, but not in the bedroom. Don't put a mic in the bedroom. Alright, let's make a breakfast. I don't like those toast, prefer the other one where the thing pop up when it's done. This one we have tendency to get our fingers burned. Yes, burn. Okay, I need to assemble this shelving here. It's the same I had in the carport, but this one will be inside the house. Like the one James got in the studio, they have no problem with it. It's just they don't like to be outside. Let's do that. Okay, let's take this to the bedroom. I think you remember this one. So I'm not going to film the whole thing. I will show when it's about to be finished. Oh, lunch ready. I just finished my thing. I will show you after. I had a lunch. Hello, my love. You cook something nice? As usual, of course. You like it? You like it? She took so much. Nice? Mmm. Say hot? Hot? Mmm, beautiful. Gonna make myself comfortable and eat.
Look, it's still water.
Daddy don't want. Daddy wants to put wine in his glass now, and you put water. My God. That sounds very good. Excellent. Delicious. That's it. Okay, finished. Let's take it to the bedroom. Okay, this is out of the way. Oof. Big job. Still a lot of work to do. Okay, a lot of stuff that we can move. Oh, but I'm tired. This piece of furniture, this shelving, really hard to put together, was faulty. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this because I had to glue. This is our spare Wi-Fi globe. It's working all right, except for streaming, bit weak. But I'm going to put this through the wall. But this is over, and I can't really undo this. This has been glued on because that was loose all the time and didn't connect properly, so I had to glue. Interesting. Okay, we'll see how we go about this. Don't worry now. It's gonna come off anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna have a drink. Yes, it's getting too hot now. It's very hot. Hey, you managed to read all of them?
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F. She read the whole alphabet. I missed that, but almost. Yeah, I think maybe finish for today. Super hot. Very muggy. Cheers. It's gonna take a while, this project. You see Bella just before on the bed, the alphabet, and she was reading the alphabet. But I missed that. So smart. 7 p.m. Look at Bella, the mess she made with the bicycle. Huh? Yeah, so what? She probably said. Okay, we put some lights on so you can see all the mess you make. Huh? People know. And now she put the bike on top of the bed here, and she fall her wrist 2-3 times. She not listening. She loved the Cirque du Soleil. Jen very tired. Woman stuff. Oh, favorite movie of the girls. Yeah, I did say the girls. Okay, I'm doing my editing here. I'm using this is not a monitor, this is a TV. Now the monitor's gone. I got no money to buy one. Probably 20,000 or something for a good monitor. Oh dear. At least I got this. Anyway. Okay, I'll show you now the microphone. This microphone actually comes from a camera I bought, digital camera called Acaso. It's a very nice little mic actually. I think you can hear me nice and crisp. I hope, I don't know. But I'm gonna use this often because my built-in here it's playing up. Every time I start filming, there's a distortion noise right at the beginning. So every time I do my edit, I have to chop 2 or 3 seconds here at the beginning of the clip. And that's a lot of work, so I'm trying to use this microphone as much as possible. And I think it does a very good job. You can tell me if you can feel the difference from the beginning of the video and now, or last video at least and now. Yeah. Okay, tonight I'm gonna fire up the router there, TP-Link router. It's all ready. Just have to put the Starlink on bypass mode, and that's it. So we'll do that tonight and let you know tomorrow or the next video how we went about. I should work. I can get my CCTV camera connected. Because they weren't, I couldn't say it, but they weren't committed. So from tomorrow they're gonna be working again. So watch out. Yeah, thank you for following me into this bedroom modification. I know it's taking longer than expected. There's a lot of work to be done. I thought I'd be already building the ceiling, but big mistake. Big mistake. So a lot of stuff needs to be done. So I know I gave a title of ceiling something last video, and not much happened. So anyway, it is part of the our bedroom modification project. That's probably what I should call it for now. Part 1, part 2, part 20. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we'll get it done, and everything will be nice and clean. And with the Aircon, I think we'll see how we go. If it's still hot, yeah, we'll put Aircon. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye. That make me work hard, that thing.